Hi, today we will talk about Trolley Boy grocery store franchisee. But first of all, let me tell you why you should do a grocery store franchisee business. As we all know, in this COVID-19 situation, everyone is taking precautions, and one of the major precaution is lockdown all over the nation. And as you already know, grocery stores were open all over. Yes, it's true. Grocery stores like Trolley Boy. Thinking why to get into franchisee business? You can open your own grocery store. It seems to be okay, but you should think twice. But there is a huge financial and presentable difference between them. Let me tell you about the presentable difference between them. Here is the franchisee of Trolley Boy. And here's the store of your self-owned. There is no team support, no marketing support to grow business, but here you will get well-trained staff and full marketing support to grow your business locally. Yes, opening your self-owned store seems a bad idea here, and owning a franchisee store of Trolley Boy seems a great idea to grow your business. Yes, it's true. It's a business growth hacking idea for you. Now let me tell you about the Trolley Boy. Trolley Boy is a leading grocery store franchisee chain business. Trolley Boy Retail is a young and dynamic brand with an experienced team behind its inception. Its head office at Noida Sector 64, and you can contact us on this number. Trolley Boy has created an opportunity for aspiring entrepreneurs and businessmen to get associated with itself in the form of franchisee. Now let me tell you about the step-by-step appointment policy of Trolley Boy. Opening your franchisee store is 10 simple steps away. Now, step 1. Here's the identification of the prospect will happen. In step 2, first round of discussion, briefing about our company and how it works along with terms and conditions walk through. And in step 3, describe the complete project to the franchisee and invite company owner for the final round of discussion. And now in step 4, filling of application form by applicant. Yes, the franchisee like you. And in step 5, collection of the application form with required documents to the admin department. And now in step 6, document verification and store location inspection will take place. And now in step 7, approval from franchisee head, RM, regional head, GM and all. And now in step 8, email communication from the desk of GM for the activation of the CD. And now in step 9, we are to close on and off the field training by channel department, operations, IT, CSS, accounts, sales. And here's the final step, step 10, opening of your Trolley Boy franchisee, your own grocery store. Trolley Boy is offering 2 franchisee models. The first one is FOFO model. Let me explain. It's franchisee owned, franchisee operated. Here's area and size will require around 500 to 20,000 square feet. Franchisee fees will be around rupees 4 lakh plus GST. Franchisee fees if the store size is above than 1100 square feet, it will cost around 400 rupees per square feet. Software fees 60,000 per login. Product cost, that minimum order 1800 per square feet. Interior according to the company 1200 per square feet. One time security deposit, undated check of amount 4 lakh rupees, and Agreement lock-in period is of 5 years. Let me tell you about the products here. Grocery, stationery, personal care, ready to eat, beverages, household items, bakery and dairy products, and etc. Role of the company in this model: design and layout of store, branding, purchase lineups, newspaper ads, pamphlets, billboards and hoardings, social media ads, Google ads, network marketing, store manager salary, and the training of staff. Role of the franchisee in this model: interior as per franchisor, rent and electricity, software charges and hardware to be purchased from franchisor, employee guide to be followed, strict sanitization practices to be followed. Royalty charges in this model: from 0 to 5 lakh, software and server charges to be paid. From 5 to 10 lakhs, 3% of the sales excluding GST. From 10 lakhs and above, 5% of sales excluding GST. Now let's discuss about the second franchisee model of Trolley Boy. The second model is FOCO model, franchisee owned, company operated. Here's the area and size will be around 500 to 20,000 square feet. Franchisee fees 4 lakh plus GST. Franchisee fees, store size above 1100 square feet, 400 per square feet. Software fees 60,000 per login. Store setup cost, that is refundable, rupees 5500 per square feet. Store setup cost, that is non-refundable, 4500 per square feet. One time security deposit, undated check of amount 8 lakh rupees. Agreement lock-in period of 5 years. Role of the company in this model is design and layout of a store, branding, interior setup, software and hardware setup, appropriation of goods, training of staff, rent and electricity, newspaper ads, pamphlets, billboards and hoardings, social media ads, Google ads, network marketing, and salary of staff. What's the role of franchisee in this model? Floor tiles, toughened glass, shutter, electricity connection, meter box and broadband installation. ROI in this model: return on investment. A, that is refundable. Rent at rupees 40 per square feet, 10% as sales commission excluding GST. And B, that is non-refundable, 1% MGI on security deposit, rent at rupees 50 per square feet, 10% as sales commission excluding GST. Thanks for watching, and I hope you understood why you should choose Trolley Boy franchisee as your business. If there is any query or doubt, please let me know. Contact at this number. We will help you to open your own grocery store